So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to close a financial year in Xero. Firstly, before you freeze your data, ensure your accountant has actually finished their work. All bank accounts, credit cards, and clearing accounts must be fully reconciled up to the final day of the financial year. And write off any bad debts and clear out old unpaid bills. An ensure accountant has posted their year-end manual journals like decrepitation, inventory adjustments, and corporate tax provisions. Now, once your accountant gives you the green light, from your Xero dashboard, go to the Accountant menu and click Advanced. On the Advanced Accounting screen, click on Financial Settings. Scroll down to the Lock Date section, and you will see two different options: Stop all users except advisors, which is a soft lock, or Stop all users, which is a hard lock. Now click into the Date field and select the last day of your financial year, and click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Then your financial year is now securely closed. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.